Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to make the wolf bow. First, you need to obtain the base bow, the Wrath of the Ancients. To do this, feed 3 dragons located around the map by killing zombies near them. Once you have the base bow, find 4 paintings and interact with them in the correct sequence. A guitar strum confirms each correct interaction. After completing this, a broken wolf arrow will appear in the Undercroft wall. Collect it to begin your quest. Now, let's summon the spirit wolf. Head to the rocket test site and aim your bow at the red flag atop the mountain. Hitting it will cause a wolf skull to fall. Retrieve this skull and return to the Undercroft. Locate the headless wolf skeleton by the bow pedestal and place the skull there. A ghostly wolf will then appear, ready to lead you on its ancient path. Your next task is to follow the spectral wolf. It will lead you to 3 different spots across the map where it will begin to dig. At each of these locations, you must kill around 10 zombies to fill the digging site with souls. Once enough souls are collected, the wolf will dig again and then move to the next spot. Complete this for all 3 locations, and the wolf will eventually return to the Undercroft. For the final steps, wait for anti-gravity to activate in the Undercroft when the wolf stands before a wall. Wall run and shoot the wolf symbol in the crack, causing a platform to appear. Stand on it and interact to receive the reforged arrow. Place this arrow in the wolf box near the pyramid. Kill approximately 20 zombies around the box to charge it with souls. Once charged, interact with the box again to claim your magnificent, upgraded wolf bow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.